Let's see how long it takes to assemble this thing. Okay, so this is the bench here. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to open, it looks. Okay. See how hard it is to assemble. Okay, so it comes in essentially just one piece. Hopefully there's not too much to it. Oh, it literally is not a lot, so this is going to be pretty nice. This, cut that. Okay. Dang it, there's got to be an easier way to do this. Just like that. Let's see if we can figure it out without instructions. I'm not super interested in this, but there we go. It has a couple. There's the pins, I'm assuming to lock it into place. Okay, let's just get all the random crap out of the way. Okay, does it even come with the wrench that we need? Let's see. Okay, it does. Okay, start taking these off. Okay, so looking at this, this is the bar here, so logically we need to find this that is part of the bottom. Okay, we might actually need to use the instructions here, but we'll see. Okay, we have this piece here. Okay, those are the two bottom pieces. How would the adjustment lock in? Oh, okay, I see. It's right there. Okay. Okay, so let's see. This is gonna go. It's gonna go like this. Okay, so we know that. So why don't we do that part first? If that's the only thing we have to put on in this, I really don't think we need the instructions. So, okay. On my wrench. Okay, it's gonna go on like that. Okay, let's take these bad boys off. I've always enjoyed whenever I put together anything, just kind of figuring out without the instructions, something fun. But could also be really frustrating when you miss an important part and then have to redo a certain portion of your, I don't even want to say it's a project, this is kind of a task that you have to do. So we know this goes here for sure. That makes sense. Okay, because that's flush there. So let's put the middle part in first. Just gonna hand screw them in here. Kind of want to make sure that this is in frame. Just put it there so I could see what you guys are seeing. Okay, so put that part in there. I'll put the top piece. So right here, there was 3 holes, and you're basically just kind of filling them in there. Try doing a better job than I am here, but okay. 2 pieces in. Putting the third and final piece in there. Yeah, the nice thing is this thing pretty much just came already assembled. Okay, so since we're going to be, obviously lifting weights on this, you kind of want to make sure that these are tight. Very important. I'd assume you kind of care a little bit about your safety. I mean, which begs the question, why didn't I just kind of read the instructions? But I feel like this is very self-explanatory. This is in no way probably the recommended method that the manufacturer is having us do this, but I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants here by what logically makes sense based off of the way it looks. Okay, let's have that, and then I do believe, what is this? Okay, the next part is this. So we're going to, just want to make sure I'm in frame, using a new camera, trying to figure things out. So unscrewing this just like that. Okay, taking this off as well. Basically the same exact piece. So very easy to put this thing together. And like I said, the only thing that's left over is those 4 fluffy pieces over there. So this is just trying to give you an idea of how long this is going to take to assemble. And again, I'm doing it without instructions, so if you actually read the instructions, I'm sure you guys might get through it a little bit quicker than I do. And I'm also trying to keep in mind like framing and such for the video, so a little bit distracted. Okay, so just gonna put this on top here, making sure that there is a spot to put this middle one through, middle screw in, making sure the washer's in place. Okay, let's see, there we go. Gonna hand screw it in first again. Again, this is not like they paid me to assemble this or anything. I actually just kind of bought this just to add to my home gym. I saw that has decent reviews on Amazon, so I decided, hey, you know, why not? I was looking for an adjustable workout bench for some dumbbell exercises, and it just kind of fit what I was looking for. Just like that. Just hand screw this in here, and then last piece over here. And just like the one before, I'm obviously gonna tighten it as soon as I could hand screw the last one in there. It's kind of giving me some issues. Here we go. And just like that, when you can actually find the grooves that you're looking for, very easy. Okay, so again, just gonna tighten this. I'll say that is fairly tight, but just one more. There we go. Okay. And the middle one here, this one, I had a lot of wiggle room to mess with because this one's a little bit harder for me to hand screw in here for some reason. There we go. All right, last one to tighten. I'll say one more good. Yeah, there we go. There we go. All right. Those are all put in place. Okay, so now last thing is to put the fluffy parts so that I could be somewhat comfortable when I'm going up against these. See, it has a little bit of a indentation there. That's fine for me. I mean, I'm not super picky, and I don't think there's a right way to put these on. You just kind of put them on there. I don't feel like it matters which one goes where, as long as all 4 of these are covered. There we go. Last one in. And again, this one has like a little dent in it too, so that's alright. I'm sure I'll be making my own marks on these at some point. Okay, so it looks like this you put in here depending on how you want it set up. So we're just gonna flip this over real quick. Okay, so it looks like there is this little section here that I'm gonna put one of those pins in. Let's see. Yep, gonna put the pin in here. Okay, so this is the hardest part of this assembly here, is trying to get this pin through actually. Okay, so let's see if there's another one here. So let's see if I can fit it into this one a little bit better. Let's just show you guys. Okay, so this one, wow, I surprisingly fit through pretty easily. Not sure why this one's giving me issues. Let's try it again with the other one here. Flashlight. There. It seems relatively. Just a little nudge there. Maybe that'll make it better. Okay, there we go. I just gotta make sure it goes all the way through. Come on, find the hole. Find the hole on the other side here. Okay. There we go. Flip it around just so I can see the other side. Come on, get in there. Yeah, this is definitely the most tedious and annoying part of the process, but there we go. Okay, got it through. Now we're gonna sit it upright. And just like that, we have our adjustable bench. Put this trash away. And we could just lift this off of there. Have it sit like that. Wow, this is neat. It's a little bit snug just because of the pin and such. That's fine, that's to be expected. Let's see how I feel about the quality of this one. How are we supposed to do this? What is this? Okay, sweet. Okay, nice. And we'll do sit-ups and such because this is supposed to go down pretty far. Oh, that's just like a normal bench. And I'm pretty sure it could just drop all the way down. Let's see what happens. Yep, incline just like that. Nice. This is a very good addition to my home gym. If you guys want to try something like this, feel free to check it out. The link to it is in the description. I bought it for around 90 bucks. So, gonna be able to get some sweet dumbbell exercises going here. But yeah, that has been my unboxing and assembly of this workout bench. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.